மூரத்து ஜகதுரித்த வாவை முப்பதும் செப்பினார் வாழியாய் திருப்பாவை முப்பதும் செப்பினார் பெரியாழ்வார் பெற்றெடுத்த பெண்
Belief is very important. Belief is what takes us from being a bhakta who is experiencing the heavens or the heavenliness of the divine experience to expressing it and sharing it and therefore enriching all the beings and all of existence around us. This human life is not only to experience something for oneself, but to share that glorious, enriching energy of the divine. However, sometimes, before the step of reaching steadfast belief, we get stuck at knowing about Perumal and about having faith in Perumal, and so we conceal ourselves in a beautiful lotus that is our being, but we pretend to be in a stupor. We pretend to be asleep. We pretend not to hear him waking us up. So if we are actually asleep, we can be awoken by someone. But in this case, we must awaken ourselves. We must awaken ourselves towards the higher state of belief. Believe that what you are asking for will indeed manifest. Just as Tulasi attained Perumal and in fact became his absolute favorite. That takes us from the expected manifestation to the unexpected. Why, let us take the case of Samudra Manthana. When the Mount Mandara collapsed during the churning of the Milk Ocean, when there were multiple things, multiple factors, multiple desires pulling us from all different directions, when the faith collapsed, when Mount Mandara collapsed, Kurmavatara came to build the foundation. But when that faith re-arose as steadfast belief in Perumal, he himself comes as Mohini and distributes Amrita, the nectar of knowledge, the nectar of immortality, the nectar of being his beloved, his chosen one, just like Tulasi. He adorns Tulasi not only in the form of a mala, one that Periyalvar and Andal would so lovingly make for him, but also atop his own very head. As she adorns it on him, she sees the reflection of it being adorned on herself, because as a bhakta of Perumal, we reflect him. We share his energy with all the beings around us. So let us arise like Andal. Let us express ourselves and become the favorite of Perumal like Tulasi. Let us believe that Perumal manifests as the greatest expression of the very Parai drum that we are seeking through our Pave Nodhu. Another example of when the lack of belief can lead to just about missing the manifestation we seek is the example of Kumbhakarna. In the Ramayana, he knows Sri Rama is divine. He has faith in Sri Rama because he knows he will be liberated by Sri Rama, but yet he gives in to his own shortcomings, his own illness, his own weakness, and further that crumbles him down. As fierce a warrior as he was, he too becomes just another bhakta in stupor. Let us take the example and instead have belief in Sri Rama like Vibhishana. Let us not pretend to be in our stupor and pretend that what we are doing is enough. We can always take the next step towards Perumal and walk on this path of the Pave Nodhu. Therefore, let us open our eyes to see Perumal granting us the boon of his eternal bhakti and the boon of the Parai. Let us arise in our Kundalini towards the Sahasrara, towards Perumal. Jai Shri Ram.
श्री व्यास महर्षि विरचित श्री रामाष्टकम्। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने। भजे विशेष सुंदरं समस्त पापकंटनं स्वभक्त चित्तरंजनं सदैव राममद्वयम्।
भजे विशेष सुंदरं समस्त पापखण्डनं स्वभक्त चित्तरंजनं सदैव राममद्वयम्।
जटाकलाभशोभितं समस्त पापनाशकं स्वभक्त भीतिभङ्गजं भजेह राममद्वयम्।
जटाकलापशोभितं समस्तपापनाशकं स्वभक्तभीतिभञ्जनं भजेह राममद्वयम्।
निजस्वरूपबोधकं कृपाकरं भवावहं समं शिवं निरञ्जनं भजेह राममद्वयम्।
निजस्वरूपबोधकं कृपाकरं भवापहं समं शिवं निरञ्जनं भजेह राममद्वयम्।
सहस्रप्रपञ्चकल्पितं ह्यनामरूपवास्तवं निराश्रितिं निरामयं भजेह राममद्वयम्।
सहस्रप्रपञ्चकल्पितं ह्यनामरूपवास्तवं निराकृतिं निरामयं भजेह राममद्वयम्
निष्प्रपञ्च निर्विकल्प निर्मलं निरामयं चितेगरूपसन्दतं भजेह राममद्वयम्
निष्प्रपञ्च निर्विकल्प निर्मलं निरामयं चिदेकरूपसन्ततं भजेह राममद्वयम्
भवाप्तिबोधरूपकं ह्यशेषदेहकर्पितं गुणाकरं कृपाकरं भजेह राममद्वयम्
भवाब्धिपोतरूपकं ह्यशेषदेहकल्पितं गुणाकरं कृपाकरं भजेह राममद्वयम्
महावाक्यबोधकै विराजवाक्पदैः प्रारब्रह्मव्यापकं भजेह राममद्वयम्
महावाक्यबोधकैर्विराजमानवाक्पदै परब्रह्मव्यापकं भजेह राममद्वयम्
शिवप्रदं सुखप्रदं भवच्चिदं भ्रमापकं विराजमानदैशिकं भजेह राममद्वयम्
शिवप्रदं सुखप्रदं भवश्चिदं भ्रमापहं विराजमानदेशिकं भजेह राममद्वयम्
श्रीरामाष्टकं पठति यश्चुककरं पुण्यं व्यासेन वर्षितमिदं शृणुते मनुष्यः विद्यां श्रियं विपुलसौख्यम् अनन्तकीर्तिं सम्प्राप्य देहविलये लभते च मोक्षम् इति श्री व्यासविरचित रामाष्टकं सम्पूर्णम् श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीरस्तु
வளநாடு வளநாடு வாழியே வல்புதுவை நகர்கோதை மலர்பதங்கள் வாழியே வல்புதுவை நகர்கோதை மலர்பதங்கள் வாழியே வாழியே ஏ